clear this. Next we have October 24th, 2024. October 24th, 2024. Check the daily for gaps. October 24th, 2024, just to make sure. Okay. $247.43. First strong resistance. 247.43. 1-2 touches. Even though this is higher, I'd rather still play this one because I feel like chasing something like this is being a little bit too greedy. So I'd rather settle for the red rejection than the green rejection. And this lines up with this flat top right here. And this area right there. Let me see. There's no other real resistance. Let me see. Back here. I'll do this. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let me see something. Okay, this is after earnings play. Okay. Let me see. After earnings play, see what happens here. So obviously after earnings, you have to let the contract settle, meaning wait for a red to green pull, a red pullback into a red to green or a red pullback, and you could probably take the high of the red candle if it holds a level. So let's see after that rejection what happens by 9:35. So boom. Yeah, fake out happens right here. People took profits from earnings. So the real entry is the high of this candle. Let's remove this. And let's see what happens after earnings play. Let's see. Boom. First target hit, second target hit, third target hits. Let's see what happens by 10 o'clock. Okay, still holding. Let's see what happens by 11. Consolidating, pulled back. Yeah. Still came back up to this level. Let's see if we get to this next area by 12. Okay. So after earnings play, reject, people take profits, we hold this level, reclaim the high, breakout, first target hit, second target hit, third target hits. Next date I have is November 8th, 2024. November 8th, 2024. Check the daily. Gapped up, there's no gaps. Let me see. Yeah, this is the high, there's no gaps. So let's the 4 hour. So November 8th, 2024. What the hell? Okay, let's go into 1 year, 3 years. November 8th, 2024. Let's go into daily. So let's see. This is the first resistance. 301.29. 302 psychological level. 302.96. This lines up with these two rejections here. I'll take the lower rejection than the higher, which is the red rejection. Some good resistance right there. 305.20. This is crazy. Gotta go into daily to find the next resistance. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. Let's go to 9:35. Okay, same thing. Red to green fake out. The psychological level was 300. So remove this orange line. Psychological level was the 300 level. This turned into, well, the retest of this high turned into the entry, and we red to green into the level basically this day. So we got faked out, opening bell, fake red to green, looked like, came down, double bottom, came back up, red to green. Let me see, 9:45. I believe this day, this one candle paid like 40%, 50% this day. Boom, breakout, hold, bounce, reject. Boom, reject. Nice. Still breaking out. What day of the week was this? This is a Friday. Oh my God. It's crazy.